Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to discuss types of investing. We'll explore three prominent types of investing: income investing, growth investing, and value investing. By understanding these types, you will be better equipped to make better and effective decisions. So let's get started. First is income investing. This strategy is all about generating a steady stream of income from your investments. Investors often focus on assets like dividend paying stocks, bonds, and real estate investment trusts, which is REITs. The goal here is to receive regular payments such as dividends or interest, which can provide a consistent cash flow. Income investing is particularly for those who seek stability and passive income. While income investing can offer financial security and reliable payouts, it's important to note that it might not offer significant capital appreciation. Additionally, market fluctuations and changes in interest rates can impact your returns. But for those looking for a conservative approach, income investing can be a good fit. Now, growth investing. This investing revolves around investing in companies with high growth potential. Growth investors prioritize capital appreciation, aiming to benefit from a company's increasing stock value over time. Tech companies and startups often fall into this category. While it can lead to substantial returns, it's essential to understand that growth investing can also be riskier due to the potential volatility of high growth stocks. Growth investing offers the excitement of potentially capturing significant gains, but it comes with the risk of market downturns affecting growth stocks more intensely. The key here is careful research to balance out risk. If you are comfortable with some risk and have a longer investment horizon, growth investing might align with your goals. Lastly, we have value investing. This investing involves identifying undervalued stocks that the market has overlooked. Value investors believe that the market will eventually recognize the true worth of these stocks, leading to price appreciation. By buying low and selling high, value investors aim to capitalize on market inefficiencies. Value investing requires patience and a keen eye for evaluating company fundamentals. While it can be rewarding type of investing, it might take time for the market to realize the value of a stock you have identified. However, the potential for solid returns and the satisfaction of uncovering hidden gems can make it a compelling choice for many investors. So that's it for today's video discussion about income investing, growth investing, and value investing. If you found this video valuable, give it a like and subscribe to this channel.